Welcome to PetesGuide. This is Metric Monday. In a previous episode, I installed these 3 threaded inserts into this piece of wood with this driver bit and this handle, and I might have used the ratchet. But the problem with this bit, this driver bit, is that it is threaded, and that causes 2 problems. One, the torque required to insert these threaded inserts into hardwood can be so large that it's difficult to back the driver out without also backing the screw out. It can literally get jammed inside the threaded insert. The second problem is that since this is a right-hand thread, I cannot use this driver bit to remove the threaded inserts. And to solve that problem, I decided to buy a very similar drive bit. I don't know if you can see the difference, but the one on the top is clearly not threaded. There we are. And it also has a slotted bit. Since these are M6 screws of a sort, it appears to be the same width as a M6 slotted bit, which I think is very helpful. We'll test that maybe this video, maybe in a future video. But let's test this. So my plan is, if this works, I'm going to swap this bit for this bit. And oh yeah, there's something else cool that it has. It has a ball-detent, and that holds the threaded insert in the driver bit. Yeah, nope, that's going to need the ratchet leverage. And let's try that again. So get the ball-detent in, then we need to seat the slot. There we are. Now I should be able to remove this. Oh, that's finally working. Beautiful. So if you have been in the camp of people that think spending 10 or 20 bucks for a special installation tool like this, when you can do the same thing with a bolt and 2 jam nuts, which is much cheaper, if you've been in that camp, I'd like to suggest that that might be correct for this installation tool, but not this, because that bolt with the 2 jam nuts cannot remove threaded inserts. So I think this is going to be a permanent change to my M6 toolkit. If I can get this to slide in there. There we are. So this now goes to the storage yard, and that needs to go back, and that needs to go back. And that is all I have for this episode. This is PetesGuide, closing down.